Hey guys, and welcome to today's awesome giveaway. Today we have a surprise giveaway winner and a regular giveaway winner. Anyways, let's just get started with the gifting. If you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow 3 simple steps that I have during this video, so make sure to watch it all. But let's just go right into the item shop and see what they want. Now, they both actually signed up for the exact same thing, which is down here below, and it's this. So we're just gonna go on and give to friends. Gonna take a look at here. Now, the only person that needs 2FA is me, not them, to get the gift. And enough P-Bucks, obviously. You need to be friends for 48 hours. And let's just send this off. By the way, 48 hours is not 3 days. I always get people telling me that's 3 days. It's not 3 days. So here we go. I can verify later if he got it. Actually, I can verify now. It tells me he owns it, so I can't send it off again. If he didn't get it right away, he can just change his banner. And that's it. He just refreshes Fortnite. I think he gets it. So here we go with Silverstorm. He signed up for the exact same thing. It's an awesome bundle, by the way. So good choice, guys. And it has been sent. Awesome. So congrats to both. I'm just going to make sure. Yeah, you both own it, so I cannot send it over again. So that's how I know it has been sent over and it's all good. Now, when I go back, again, they would need to change their banner if they didn't get it. If you guys got it right away, wear those giveaway skins right now. Okay, you changed your banner. Awesome. So that means you're getting your gift right now. Great. So there we go, Izu. You just got it as well. Congrats, guys. It is a bundle, so there are several skins that came out with that. Can you guys show us all of them, if you can? Or a few of them, at least. There we go. So that's your second skin. I don't know if Silverstorm can hear me, but hey, at least we saw some of your skins. There's your other one from the bundle. And I think you have that one as well. Awesome. Once again, if you guys would like a chance to win, follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.